Hello friends, I am Nilima from NJ classes. Today we are going to learn algebraic identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's start. A minus b whole square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a minus b. Every term in second bracket has to be multiplied by every term in first bracket. So we get a multiplied by a minus b minus b multiplied by a minus b. Now multiplication of single variables gives a multiplied by a plus a multiplied by minus b plus minus b multiplied by a plus minus b multiplied by minus b. Now a multiplied by a is a square, a multiplied by minus b is minus ab, minus b multiplied by a is minus ba, or we can write minus ab. Minus b multiplied by minus b is plus b square. So we get a square minus ab minus ab plus b square. Now minus ab is equal to minus 2ab. So we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is proved. Friends, I hope now you can easily memorize this identity with proper understanding. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.